What is up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another Afro Tech Hub video with LenovoEMC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your phone to your NAS remotely. If you're using the Lenovo EMC Nas, you would know that the Lenovo EMC Link app has been discontinued. Though this doesn't mean that you still can't connect your NAS to your phone. If you go to the App Store and we look for the Lenovo EMC Link app, we can see that it's no longer on the App Store, but it's fine. You can use any one of these file explorers here, or file managers, which come up when you search for the Lenovo EMC Link app. I've already installed this file manager, so I'm going to go ahead and open that just to show you guys how this works. You can use any one of these. I'm just using this one specifically because I've used it for other purposes before and I'm more familiar with this one. So when we open the app, we can see that it shows how the storage on the phone has been used. So we can see our internal storage and our SD card, but that's not exactly what we're looking for. So what we're looking for is our NAS. So if you're looking for what's on your network, you're just going to click here on network and then go to LAN. You can also use the FTP server, though I haven't used that option yet. This is the easiest one for me. As you can see here, it's going to show us a couple of devices that are on our network. So I'm not sure why cloud is showing 3 times, because that's actually the same device, and then you've got our 2 desktops there. So I'm just going to click on this one. What you need to enter here then is your username and your password for your NAS. Don't use the anonymous option, because what's going to happen is that you're going to lose some functionality. Like, you won't be able to delete some stuff, you won't be able to open some stuff if you use anonymous. So be careful using that option. So what we're seeing on this screen now are the different shares that we saw on that other video when I did the unboxing and review of the NAS. So click up above if you want to see that video and you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, these are the different shares on our NAS. So I'm just going to show you guys specifically how to stream videos and also music on a NAS. So let's go to one of our video folders. What you're looking at now is where I store all of my videos for the YouTube channel. You can see they're quite big, so transferring something like this over USB cable or memory stick would be a problem. So I can connect remotely to the NAS and then watch whatever videos are on here. So I'm just gonna start one of these GTA 5 videos that we've uploaded, and as you can see, it's now streaming. I mean, it's playing in perfect quality, it's not lagging or anything. It's as if I'm playing a video that's directly on the phone. Click up above if you want to see that video. So I'm just gonna turn the sound down so that you're able to hear me. But you can see we can scroll to different points of the video. It needs to load a little bit, like it's not flawless, but at least it's working quite fast though. I'm just gonna also show you how playing music on this works. Just the annoying thing though are the adverts that we see here. Alright guys, so what you're looking at here is my FL Studio export folder. This is where all my tracks are exported to after they render. So I'm going to show you guys that this is going to play flawlessly. It's not going to lag and it's not going to load or anything like that. So let me just quickly start one of these tracks for you guys. If you want to watch the video that this track was used on, click up above. But I'm just gonna stop that. As you can see, it wasn't lagging, it wasn't loading or anything. So finally, I mean, goodbye to USB cables, goodbye to Bluetooth, goodbye to memory sticks. You can connect your phone directly to your NAS over your network. So even if you're in your bedroom, as long as you have connectivity to your Wi-Fi and your network, you can access all of your stuff on a NAS. As always guys, thank you for watching. My name is LenovoEMC. If this video helped you, please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you so much for viewing. Enjoy the rest of your day. Wait, hang on, just before you close that tab, I'm going to show you a useful case scenario for this app. So I just tried to move these videos that I screen recorded on my phone onto my laptop. But now the problem is this phone is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. My laptop only takes USB Type-A cables, so I can't connect this to my laptop. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and use this application to transfer these videos onto the NAS so that I can edit them on the laptop. I mean, it's so useful. I was going to have to send these through WhatsApp or Bluetooth or something, but they're about 250 MB, so you can just imagine how long that was going to take. Anyways, let's get into transferring these videos quickly. I mean, as you can see, it's transferring. It's not the fastest. It's going to take about 1 minute to transfer these, but it's much better than doing it over WhatsApp because there are additional steps to that. I was going to need to get it off of my other WhatsApp or download it onto my laptop using WhatsApp. But with this, I can then load it straight onto the NAS and then just load it straight into the computer. So I'm cutting out all those other steps. So I'm just going to wait for this to finish and then edit this video and upload it for you guys to watch. As always, and I'm sure I'm saying this for the second time, who knows how many takes this took, so I'm probably saying it for like the 100th time. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and like. Sorry for the additional pieces to the video, but I mean, I thought of it afterwards. You know, I wasn't able to move my stuff over, so I just figured, you know, I might as well show you guys some useful cases for this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace out.